Hello, this is LAURIE PETRIE with part 7 of how to design and manufacture an overload clutch. Now the clever bit, that is the design, has been done, all that remains is the machining. Since time is of the essence, remember, valuable hay is in the paddock and the sun in Western Australia is extremely hot. Any substantial time delay could cause the hay to be totally ruined. Whilst normally I would give this job to one of my machinists, the only possible way that this clutch will be repaired in the short time available is for me to make it myself. The job itself will take 3 hours to complete. As I am videoing all the operations, I will allow an extra hour for positioning the cameras, lighting, microphones, etc. And, as it is being recorded live, there will be no opportunity to take any second shots. With all of this in mind, I got up and started work at 4 AM this morning, and will have the clutch repaired and ready to be fitted by 8 AM at the latest. Time estimation is important on any job, whether it is one where I am the project engineer overlooking a 2 million plus job, or at the other extreme, shoeing a horse, or, as in this case, a totally free one for a very good neighbour. The machining of this assembly fixture is a simple task that may be done by any competent machinist. First, the chosen material is cut to length. The colour painted on the end of the steel is to identify the grade of the steel. Each individual firm throughout the world tend to use their own colour coding for all the grades that they use. As I use a very wide variety of materials, since I design and develop for international companies throughout the world, accordingly, my colour range for materials is also very extensive. Once you have set the length and have more than one piece to saw, always set the length stop. This is a very simple step, but is a great time-saving procedure. When the first piece has been cut, set the saw to cut the second piece, and then commence de-burring the first piece. Always de-burr sawn edges. Importantly, this action will ensure that you don't cut yourself and provide a burr-free surface to work from in later operations. It is worth mentioning, in the best laid out workshops, a vice station is always positioned next to the saw, and another one next to every milling machine. Generally, I tend to use a second cut file for rough deburring. The next operation, milling mating faces,